Shopify tutorial for beginners, adding products to your store. Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to be telling you how you can add different products within your Shopify store. So let's get into it. So first things first, what we want to do is want to add the products by clicking on the product option over here on the left hand side, right? You want to click over here. Now there are two ways to do that. You can either add the product manually, adding all the information of the product, the images and all of that, or if you have a CSV file, then you can import it and upload that file over here, and you can go ahead and do that. They also provide a sample CSV file, so we can download it and check it out. So if I just simply download that file and click on add file, add that file right here and upload and preview, we can see it has added the example products right here. We can click on import products, give it a couple of seconds, and right here are the products. So these are the example products. This is how it would look like if you have a CSV file and you can upload them. It'll add all the information of the products, their categories and all of that. But let's go ahead and delete them and show you how you can add them manually. All right, click over here, click on delete products. There you go, it's done. Now to add products, all you have to do is click on add product, and over here you will see you have all these different options. So we'll just simply add the title over here. So I have already downloaded the products, so we'll just say plain t-shirts. You can add the description if you want to. For some reason it is collapsed, but yeah, and I don't know why it's not showing, but let me reload it. There you go, that's how it looks like. Yeah, now over here you can add the description of the product if you want to, but we're going to skip that for now. You can add whatever you want. We're going to click on upload new file, and over here we're going to upload the images of the product that we have. So we already have that. We just simply select the product. So let's say we want to select the simple black t-shirt. Click on open. It'll open up right here, and then down below next we have to add in the pricing as well. And also, if you have the category set, you can just simply go ahead and add the category, add the product type, vendor, collections. If you have a collection ready, create a collection, you can add it right here. So right now the home page is the only collection that we have, and you can also add different tags and as well. So for now, over here in the pricing section, we'll have to add the price. So let's say this is a $15 t-shirt, comparing at a price of $20. It's a really premium t-shirt, costing around, let's say its manufacturing cost is $6. That'll give us a 60% margin, $9 profit per product. And then you can add the track inventory. So over here you can add the inventory right here. So let's say we have 50 products in stocks, and also right here is the Shopify POS. So you can go ahead and select this option even if it is out of stock. What this will do is, if you have a shop or a POS or point of sale, that's what POS stands for, even if this website is out of stock, you can still sell the products from your store because it will keep that inventory separate. If you're just selling on, if you don't have a POS, if you're just selling through the website, you can just leave it as it is, and then you can just simply go ahead and add the weight. I don't know what it weighs, so I'll just say 0.3, and then you can add different variations, size, color, material, and style. So for now, we'll go ahead and click on size, and we'll say we have small, medium, and large. There we go. Click on done. So we have 3 sizes, and next we want to do is want to also add another variation, which is going to be colors. Now we'll use colors. So we have 2 colors, black and blue. There we go. Click on done. Now you can go ahead and add the images right here. So if you already have it, you can upload it right here, but if you don't have it, you can go ahead and upload it from here as well. Once you have uploaded the images, we'll select the plain t-shirt. Let me just go ahead and see what it does. So on the sizes, both are available, black and blue as well. So over here you can select the blue and add your own shirt. So over here we'll select the blue one. We'll click on done. So over here, the blue shirts, you can see it. Simply go ahead and click on the variant and select the shirt right here. I don't understand why I have to keep uploading the image, but it is what it is. You can go ahead and do that as well. Click on done. Another thing you can do is you can upload the blue one right here. That way you won't have to keep uploading it again and again. So now if I click on the blue one, I will find it right here, select it, and click on done. So there you go. So now we have the sizes and the variants and everything set up. Next, all you have to do is click on save, and you can select the status to active, and this will allow you to have a product that is active on your homepage and ready to sell. And over here, you can see you have it right here. Now, this was one method as well. I already showed you the second method, which was from the CSV file. Another third method is for dropshippers. So for example, if you are planning on using Shopify to dropship different products, what you can do is you can add an application right here called CG Dropshipping. If you want to add that, you can do this. There are other applications as well. We're going to go into the Shopify App Store and search for it. So Deezers is another good application right here, which is for Alibaba dropshipping. So this is also a very good application for dropshipping. So you can go ahead and install it right here. And we're going to also install CJ dropshipping. They're both dropshipping application. You can go ahead and install it onto your store. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And once that's installed, you can just simply go ahead and create an account for you, register yourself and start importing different products. So for now, we're going to use Deezers. We're going to stick with the free version, right? You can even use this one. We can even use CJ dropshipping. And yeah, so now we just simply have to bind our AliExpress account for Deezers and you should be good to go. Whereas for CJ dropshipping, we can just simply go ahead and find different products to start importing them onto our store. So over here is QK Source, AliExpress 1688, or Taobao as well. You can just simply go ahead and click on Connect My Store. We're going to select Shopify and connect our store. It is done. We just simply authorize it, click on Open. It is a little bit of process, but it's not that complicated. You just have to follow the steps and you are good to go. So there you go. We have authorized our store and we should be good to go. So now if I want to go ahead and find different products, over here you can see you have your store products. Over here you will find my products on the left hand side, right here on the list. As you can see, it's empty, but yeah, so let's go ahead and import different products. So on the left hand side, if we click on sourcing, so yeah, let's go ahead and do that. We're going to go back into home and we're going to start importing different products. So let's say we want to import a simple plain shirt. So we'll just simply search for shirt. It will find this product on multiple different websites such as 1688, Taobao, AliExpress, and all of that. You can even paste a simple URL over here or SKU number and it will find that product. So you don't have to worry about it. So let me just go ahead and select it right here. Find a simple, go into different categories and find, let's say, simple t-shirt. We'll go into t-shirts and find a t-shirt. So let's say we want this type of shirt in our store, right? So this will allow us to add the listing and this will allow us to add it to my product. So click on the product. You can see all of the information right here. And over here, you can add it to my products. Click on my product and now you will find it right here on my products. And now we just simply click on list it to our store right here. As you can see, we can add the product type, which is a t-shirt. You don't have to do this, but it helps. You can add the vendor, the title, the collection if you want to add it to, and the tags if you already have it, and then just simply click on list now and you are good to go. And also you over here at the top, you will find variant pricing, images, videos, and description. So over here, you have to set the pricing as well. So right here, as you can see, CJ prices at $15. Shipping fee is going to be $7. So its total is going to cost you $22. So you can go ahead and add, let's say, $25 for this one, $25 for this one, $25 for this, $25 for this, $25, $25, $25 for all of these. And then you can just simply go ahead and select the images and videos if you want. And then you have the description if you want to change it to whatever you want. And once that's done, just simply click on list now. I think I have added my store price as well. And over here you can, oh, there were more products down below, but I forgot. But yeah, once it's done, just simply click on list now. As you can see, wait a couple of seconds. Now it's listing in progress and give it a couple of seconds. And once it's done, your products should appear right here. Let me reload the page, see if it is here. There we go. It is right here. So over here, as you can see, it imported all of the information that we needed, the variations, the size, the pricing, the description, everything. So you don't have to worry about it, even the inventory as well. So very simple. This is how you do it. This is how you add different products to your Shopify store. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.